Hey, what's up guys, what's going on? This is Arko and I'm back with another video. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Travel Junkie. Today is Saturday and I'm on my weekend ride. I started a little late today. Around 8 o'clock I started. Right now I am on my way to Hebbal to meet my friend. He will be there opposite of Esteem Mall. Wow, look at this place, man. So we found one beautiful location and we are planning to fly drone there. Little bit of off-road, but that's not a problem because you gotta do what you gotta do to get a beautiful time lapse, right? Look at that valley, that part. So now the plan is we'll go ahead towards Avalabetta, which is around 47 kilometers from here. Wow, man, look at the roads and then look at the mountain. It's awesome. That mountain starts from here and it goes all the way. Beautiful, beautiful, man. Wow. लौंडे क्या होते हैं? लौंडे बब्बर शेर होते हैं और बब्बर शेर खुले आसमान के नीचे मूतते हैं। तो गौर से देखिए उस लौंडे को जो खुले आसमान के नीचे मूत रहे हैं। पहले इस ब्यूटीफुल व्यू को देखिए, देन देखिए इस लौंडे को। So he is taking the nature's call and I am enjoying the nature. So we are almost there. I hope you guys enjoyed the journey as much as I did. And if you did, then make sure to subscribe to this channel because I have seen there are a lot of people who is watching my video but not subscribing. So yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and our journey will continue. Yes, I know what to do. Chale. What? Look at this place, man. It's so mad. My goodness. Wow. That's a steep incline, man. I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain crazy, but who cares? When you come to a place like this. Wow, look at that, look at that. Wow, 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 wow. भाई साहब माउंटेन में आ गए हम, माउंटेन। भाई नंदी हिल्स खुला नहीं है लेकिन ये सब जगह पे आप आ सकते हो। But I don't think so I'm gonna fly drone here on this mountain because in mountain you don't get proper reception. So you might lose your drone that way. That's why whenever you are flying drone, make sure that you are at a plane. You are not in mountain or something because the signal gets diffracted here and there, and also you might get compass error. But this is crazy. Look at the steepness, man. Oh my god. check out this view, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, हमारा इधर हो गया फोटो क्लिक करके. Hope you guys like the place. All right, so did a little bit of adventure there. It's time to say bye bye to this place, and it's a good place. I mean, I have been to Nandi so many times, but this is like cousin of Nandi.